Carol and Margaret Wilmington is marketed as an elegant boutique fashion brand, but the real question is, does the quality actually match the price, or is it another online boutique relying heavily on branding and markdown psychology? Now, to be fair, the website itself looks polished and professionally designed. The clothing style also matches the upscale boutique aesthetic many shoppers are looking for online. What it does well, the fashion style looks refined. Carol and Margaret Wilmington focuses on elegant casual wear, layered outfits, knitwear, and boutique-inspired fashion that appeals to mature shoppers. The website feels premium, compared to obvious low-effort scam sites. The store presentation looks clean, modern, and professionally branded, where it raises concerns. The boutique closing sale style marketing is a major red flag. This is the biggest issue. Many online stores today use emotional storytelling, retirement sales, or last chance messaging to create urgency and justify high markdowns. The discounts look unusually aggressive. Huge, today-only discounts across almost every product are common among dropshipping-style e-commerce stores. There is little independent brand history outside the company's own website. There is not much strong evidence showing Carol and Margaret Wilmington is a long-established local boutique with verified manufacturing quality. So, does the quality match the price? Short answer, probably not fully. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.